Hello, thank you for your interest in Wayne Combustion's MSR oil burner. Today we'll review a number of adjustments that can be made to the burner. Please note that these adjustments should only be made by a trained technician.
Oil gun assembly. Setting up. Tools required: 9/16 inch wrench, 5/16 inch nut driver, and a steel scale or tape measure or a Wayne gun assembly setting gauge, T-gauge. Loosen the hex slotted screw locking the slot cover plate in position. Loosen the gun assembly lock nut. Slide the gun assembly back. If a T-gauge is available, insert it into the air cone center flame lock cone until it seats to the surface of the cone. Slide the oil gun assembly forward until the nozzle face contacts the gauge. This establishes the correct Z dimension of 5/16 inch. If a T-gauge is not available, insert a steel scale or tape measure through the air cone center flame lock until it contacts the face of the nozzle. Slide the oil gun assembly forward until a reading of 5/16 of an inch is measured from the nozzle face to the center flame lock cone of the air cone assembly. Tighten the hex slotted screw, locking the slot cover plate into position. Tighten the oil gun assembly lock nut. Tip: mark the new position of the oil gun assembly on the side of the burner housing. There is a scale die cast into the side of the burner housing above the slot cover plate. The oil gun assembly slot cover plate itself has a positioning groove stamped into it along the upper edge. Mark the position of the mark in relation to the scale with a sharp point permanent marker. This mark will make reinstallation of the oil gun assembly much easier when gun maintenance is performed in the future.